Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan from Ryan's Tech Guide, and I'm here to help you with your tech. So today we're going to be talking about email signatures and Outlook.com. Now, why do you need email signatures? Well, it's basically allowing you to make your emails look more professional and it gives it some identity. So whenever you put one in, you'll be able to have your phone number, any information you like, of course, but phone number, picture, website links, your title at your job, your company logo, whatever you feel is necessary, or even if your personal one, if you have a personal business or you just want to have one for yourself, it's worth doing. So I've created a little video how to do this, how to go about doing it. It also has a couple of little tips. And with that, let's get right into the video. Okay, in order to get a signature onto Outlook.com, we're going to do is we're going to go to the Chrome browser. You can use whatever browser you like. Up there, you're going to type Outlook.com. So this is going to log me in automatically to my Outlook for this account. And on the right side, you click on the little gear symbol. It's called Settings, of course. And inside the search bar, you're going to put Signature. And underneath, you're going to see email signature. So you click on that. It's going to take you right to where it needs to be. And right here, you're going to click on new signature. You're going to type a name. So I'm going to type my name, first name. And inside the body here, you're going to write whatever you need. So I'm going to make a simple one. Put a city in, put in a number. So I'll just put just the name, phone number. And then you can put everything else you want. You put like a symbol, you can put the crest or the logo. And then what you do is you save. Once you've clicked save, you make sure that automatically it shows. Now, I think it automatically did that. It automatically selected my name. And also a side note, you can actually get more than one signature in here. You don't have to have just this one. You can put as many as you like, especially if you're using this as your personal and you're doing for multiple different jobs. Let's say gig economy, you work for different people, you can have different signatures. And that's how it works. So you click save, and then you can close this. Now, in order to test this, to make sure it works, click on new message. And below, as you can see, present there. And that's basically it. That's essentially how a signature works or goes on to your email in Outlook. So with that, let's go right back to the other part of the video. There you have it, folks. That's how you do signatures with Outlook.com. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you can leave some comments behind, that would be great. Put in the comment section below. Also, if you can, please hit the like and subscribe button. That helps me great with the channel, as well as hit the notification bell on the right, which will allow you to get more notifications for content as I create it. And I want to say thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.